Tatuki class naludi through 2025 ki BCSE ki biology paper di solve venne toga. So question number D, match each item in column A with the most appropriate item in column B. Write the correct letter in the space provided in the answer column. Toga. So question number 1 gikasime storage of genetic information in prokaryotic cell. So option D prokaryotic cell. Nucleus is the nucleus function ga storage of genetic information in eukaryotic cell. So in the prokaryotic cell we have nucleoid. In the prokaryotic cell, nucleoid store the genetic information. So the answer is C. And 2 requires carrier proteins to transport materials. Facilitated diffusion. The answer is E. So 3 use of microorganism to treat wastewater is called bioremediation. The answer is D. 4 introduction of foreign DNA into an organism is called genetic modification. So answer is B. And lastly we have expressed only in homozygous form and the recessive allele. Recessive allele. Answer is E. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.